Today on AFL TV, we're checking out LEGO's new Lunar New Year's sets, and it starts right now. Okay guys, welcome back. As mentioned, today we're taking a look at the new LEGO Chinese Lunar New Year sets, specifically the Lunar New Year Ice Festival, set number 80109, and Lunar New Year Traditions, set number 80108. I'm gonna cut straight to the chase and answer whether or not you should buy these. Yes, you need to buy these right now. Like literally right now. So if that's all you clicked on this video for, now you know. But if you want to know why you should buy them, well, let's take a deeper dive. As you guys know, we buy all of our sets with our own money. Nothing is sponsored or given to us by LEGO, and we only buy sets we're interested in. You guys also know that we don't always recommend each LEGO set that comes out, and often point out any flaws or drawbacks as to why you may not want to buy a certain set, if they exist. Well, we can say with absolute certainty that these two sets are not only a joy to build, but they pack in a plethora of amazing details, minifigs, and build techniques. The Ice Festival set in particular might be one of my favorite LEGO sets of all time, or at least in recent memory. The Ice Festival set is absolutely gorgeous, and it's a highly detailed build. Hitting shelves at 120 bucks, it certainly isn't cheap, but for what you get, it's a pretty good deal. Considering there are 1,519 pieces, that comes out to just under 8 cents per piece, which is a pretty good deal, especially when you factor in some of the rare or unique parts, such as the ice panels and the trans blue pieces used throughout. Not to mention all of the amazing figs. If you watched our recent 2022 LEGO City review video, you saw how we broke down each set into whether it was a good deal based on price per piece and overall set as a whole. So using the $120 price tag for this set against the 2022 $120 LEGO City Hospital set, for example, you are getting a far better deal with the Lunar set. In fact, the City Hospital set only comes with 780 parts, while again, this one comes with over 1,500, which is almost double. Yet they are both priced the exact same, with just about the same number of minifigs. Additionally, in that video, we mentioned that the City Hospital set was lacking in detail, and it had weird features such as a floating bathroom in the back and weird rooftop seats. Whereas this set was very well thought out, has tons of detail packed in. I mean, just look at like the snow on the back of the roof. It's incredible. Look, I get that the City line is more geared towards kids, and the Lunar sets are more geared towards adults, even though they have an 8+ age label, and the City sets are 7+. But you would think that the City set would actually be priced better, since not only is it for kids, but it's also not as detailed. Now, look, I'm not complaining. I'm more drawn to the Lunar sets anyway, so I'm glad that LEGO decided to price these well. But if you're looking at what you get, the details really are impressive compared to the City set. LEGO really thought of everything with this set. There's fish under the ice, there's even a cell phone in the back dropped under the ice, which I thought was a hilarious touch. They have sledding and hockey, there's an ice sculpture, there's an ice fishing hole, and then underneath the hole there's a different trans blue finish to indicate that the ice was drilled through. And some of the building techniques used were very impressive, such as the arch in the back for the ice arch. So what about the New Year's Traditions set? Well, this one was really awesome as well. This hit shelves at $80, offers 1,066 pieces, which is roughly 7 cents per piece. It's a great deal. I mean, especially given the various furniture builds that you get and the cool scenes, I think it's a great set. Now, you may notice that we didn't attach all the stickers, and that's because we intend on ripping this set apart to utilize the furniture and the parts within our own city. And honestly, that's probably what we would recommend this set for overall. Look, it's a fantastic set and a great set for, the celebration, and, if you're collecting minifigs or sets as a whole and you have a display case, then it's probably a great set for that. But we feel it's best served for parts, minifigs, and the cool furniture that you can rip out and add to your own city. You get some great gold pieces, some unique colors, you get great minifigs, and if you wanted to, you could also get some great stickers that can be used throughout the city. I also really like the small details, like the small orange slice for the tea, and a couple of the details on the back of the scenes. But again, we really don't have a huge use for the set as it's built, other than parting it out and using some of the furniture builds. The Ice Festival set, however, we're definitely going to try and incorporate this into the city somehow down the road. Obviously, we have a very tropical city, so we're going to have to figure out how to do, maybe a mountain or a snow area, but stay tuned. Well, guys, that's it for today. We just wanted to do a quick video overview and share our thoughts on these two sets. As always, thank you to everybody who has subscribed and those who leave comments and share our videos. It really does help the channel. Be sure to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok as well, as we often share builds on those platforms that aren't always shared on YouTube. Thanks again for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.